Hey, welcome back to Gumshoe Tech on covering openSUSE, Tumbleweed, Leap, MicroOS, any of those from SUSE Linux. So welcome as a new user. I'm going to gear this introductory video to this is Tumbleweed that I have on the laptop that you're seeing here. And if you're not familiar with Linux, I'm going to go through a few things. This is Linux. We have everything, or almost everything that Windows does. We have Chrome browser. It works like normal. You also have Firefox. Firefox is actually installed by default, but because of a few things that I do personally, I need to use Chrome for my browsing. I have a lot of stuff set up on my home lab. Sometimes it doesn't work great in Firefox, then sometimes it doesn't work great in Chrome. So I switch back and forth between Chrome and Firefox. Some people like to dock their windows. You can do that here in Linux also. As you can see here, either side, do corners, open up multiple windows and put them in different orientations. Pretty basic, pretty simple. One other option that is kind of cool, go up here, shove your mouse cursor to the upper left hand corner, and it shows everything that you have open on your desktop. I've got two folders, OBS recording this, and that Firefox browser. Oh, and you can also have multiple desktops. So if you want a clean desktop, you just switch to it. You want to go back, you go back. So you can actually have more than two. You can, it depends on what jobs that you need, what jobs you want to do. You want a clean desktop, switch back and forth. That's a great thing. I do that once in a while when I edit with DaVinci Resolve, my favorite editor of choice. Then your Office documents. So you can go to, let's see if they have Office right there. You have LibreOffice. This is installed by default on SUSE Linux. You can choose whatever you want. The documents are saved in My Documents. So you actually create a new document in here, linked applications, like that. You do text file, do that, and then right click, open with LibreOffice Writer. With LibreOffice, you can save as a Microsoft Word document. You can do that here. Save. I don't like the ODT format, so I always go to Word, and then you can choose from different Word versions. I just do the 365 version because I send emails with documents out all the time. Everyone else uses it in Word 365, so it's the 2010 format. Just hit save and then use it, and then you can email this to wherever you need to. You can see that document, text file document right there. So that's pretty easy. Fun fact that this Office, LibreOffice, used to be Star Office. That's kind of cool. I found that out about a week ago. So if you're older like me, you might have actually used Star Office way back when. File Explorer. File Explorer is pretty much the same. You can hit the Windows key and E to bring that up. And of course, this is Dolphin, the File Explorer that we had open. So we'll try that again. So Windows key E pops this up, and it shows our network drives, music, pictures, videos, home, desktop, everything that you expect from a File Explorer. File Explorer is called Dolphin. in KDE. So this video is not specifically for openSUSE. It is specific for KDE. SUSE does treat KDE a little different, but not much different. It's all the basics are there. Then you can rename this document if you want, test 2, just like you'd expect from Windows. It's the same on Linux. You'll notice down here, besides me recording this, you have your updates. Updates are run through Discover, and you can just click on updates. I actually haven't updated this computer in a couple weeks, but yeah, everything you have installed, it'll do applications and system software. So everything in your system. So I have 775. The way Linux works over Windows is that in Windows, you have to go out possibly to get your applications updates, because you have to go out and find your applications to install them. In Linux, let me close this and close that. Discover down here on the left side, which is a KDE Software Center, not specific to openSUSE again. You can just click on it and you can type in whatever you want. Whatever distro will actually pull in applications that are pre-built. You can also do Flatpak. Flatpak is kind of like a universal software center that goes across most Linux distributions. You'll see people love it or hate it. I prefer packages built by openSUSE for openSUSE platform, but if that's not the case, I'm definitely going to come here and install from Flatpak. And you can see all applications, education if you want, games, you can go into games. Steam is here, you can install Steam and then download a lot of Steam games to install on openSUSE. I prefer older games, Civ 4, Team Fortress, yada yada yada. One thing I found out with this recent install of this laptop, what we're recording on, to add more Flatpak, I had to come in here and hit Add Source, and then choose the option for Flatpak, and that's to pull in the major repositories for Flatpaks. Without this checked, I think I just checked it. It only had the openSUSE Tumbleweed repos by default. I wanted more options, and specifically OBS, which I'm recording this on, is not in the openSUSE Tumbleweed Flatpak repository. So click on that. I'm recording now. Simple fix. It's not like you have to download, gigs of data. It's just once you type into search what you want, it goes out and searches for the application, meets the best criteria, and it allows you to install it. It's one thing I do is here I'm going to do flame shot, and then actually we'll go home and flame shot because it hasn't been installed yet. So flame shot, and all you have to do is hit install. Pretty simple. You have to always put your root password in, and I can do that. Just hit OK, and you can see it's installing really quick. Super simple. And that's it, it's installed. So you can go through your most popular installations. Chrome web browser Chromium is Chrome, but without all the spyware. Sometimes it doesn't work for what I need it for, but I do have this installed on several of my computers. And you can go through, you know, here's KMoney. If you want to do your finances, you know, pretty easy to use Linux. A lot of people complain that it's hard. As you can see, I'm showing you how easy it is on the KDE. I don't care for GNOME. That's my personal preference. But if you like something that's more gooey and fancy and I don't know, you can use GNOME. KDE works great for me. I like it a lot, and it's easy. It does what I need it to do. So if you have any questions about openSUSE, Leap, Tumbleweed, please comment below, and I'll try to make a video explaining it to you. I'm almost at 500 subscribers. Never thought I'd be here, but you know what? I hope I get more people that like my videos. Give me a thumbs up, comment below. You have a great day. Thank you. Bye.